Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to naturally control Mexican bean beetles in the garden. Here's a clip from the show. So today I want to share with you how to naturally control Mexican bean beetles in your garden. So a Mexican bean beetle looks like an orange ladybug, but it's not a ladybug. So ladybugs eat aphids, and Mexican bean beetles eat the leaves of legumes such as beans, peas, clovers, and alfalfa. So overwintered adults, they're going to emerge in the spring, and then they lay their eggs on the plant leaves. The eggs hatch into the larvae that will eat the plants until they're ready to pupate. So an adult Mexican bean beetle will emerge 1 to 2 weeks, and then they're going to start this cycle all over again. So I like to disrupt the cycle at the larva stage, and there's 2 really good natural products that we have found to get rid of Mexican bean beetles and other garden beetles. All right, number 1 is Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew, and I use the Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew from the time that I see a Mexican bean beetle in the spring until our first hard frost in the fall. And we're going to spray the plants once a week if the population is low, and twice a week if the population is high. So there's a link in the description below so you can find this brew. It will also get rid of cabbage loopers and flea beetles. This product has been a real game changer for our farm. All right, number 2 is neem oil. Neem oil is a byproduct of the neem tree seed, and it's considered a natural way of killing beetles. Now, I like the Captain Jack's Neem Max, and I'll put the link in the description below so you can learn more about it. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10, Week 9. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.